Good morning. We're here this morning at 381 Northwest Curtis Street in Port Saint Lucie. And it's just a beautiful day and it's a beautiful home. This is 1,300 square feet of property with a brand new metal roof. It was put on in October of 2024. And so it's about a year old, but this house has been recently updated, you'll see, and it's a beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1-car garage. Hi, this is Kathleen Nally. Come along with us. This is living on Florida's Treasure Coast. We have a great home to show you. Come on in. As I said, there's 1,300 square feet of living space here, and it's very nicely been updated. And you can see this beautiful lighting feature here. Adds ambiance to the setting and character. And as you can see, it flows seamlessly from living area to dining space, and kitchen. The kitchen's been beautifully done with new appliances, lighting fixtures, beautiful quartz counters, and a nice big farm sink. Let's travel down the hall. This is a 2-bedroom, 2 full bath property. And here we have, this is bedroom number 2. It's a great size. And this bedroom has a walk-in closet. It's a great size walk-in closet. This is the hall bath with its own vanity and step-in shower. And now we're going to go to the master. Master bedroom is spacious, and again has a good size walk-in closet. This is the master bath with step-in shower. Nicely upgraded. Okay, from the dining area here, you can see there's a patio out back. Nice spot to relax. Off of the dining area is the laundry room. And so we have the washer dryer here, which do convey with the property. Recently added a water heater and the air conditioning system. Okay. And a one-car garage. This could be a great space for you. It would be, right now it's a great space for a single dad and his son. Could be a great space for people coming down from the north wanting to get out of the cold winters. It could be perfect for you. If it is, give us a call. All the information is in the description box below. We're going to walk into the backyard now. So this property is fenced on one side, and then it's backed by trees, and there is a school beyond. So you can see that it has a nice backyard. And again, you can see that there is a patio here to sit and relax when you come home, or in the morning when you want to sit out and have a cup of coffee. Great place to come home and relax. We're close here to Bayshore Boulevard on the north side. We're very close to US 1 on the east side, Prima Vista on the south side. This is a great location to get to easy access on Route 95 or the Florida Turnpike, or US 1 if you want to go to the beaches. So thank you for watching. Thank you for coming along with us here on Florida's Treasure Coast.